Now it's working. Okay, I just had to hit off and on. Want to hear something kind of cool? Yeah, tell me something kind of cool. That's annoying that the first half got dropped from YouTube, but hey, we're up on YouTube now, so that's what matters. Go. Kind of falling into the trap of over-engineering it. Like, I don't need to be able to actually swap out these things. I can just like pause the game and restart the game with the different control scheme implemented or turned on. And this is more about prototyping, and prototype should be fast. While I'm over here like trying to get everything perfected. So, kind of doing it wrong. I've only had one monster today, and my headache is only mild. Well, I'm proud of you. Okay, let's see here. I want all of the movement types to be modular like that, not just the helicopter one. Yes. Yes. Okay. Turbo kidney stones. I'm working on quitting. Only 2 yesterday. Only 1 today. I'm working on starting. All right. Let's see what we can come up with. Now you can dynamically attach them to anything. Ensure a scalable system. Let me know if you need refinements. Dope. Let's try it. Each movement type is implemented as a reusable component that can be attached to any actor, making the system flexible for future expansions. See, I'm already like making shit flexible and stuff. I'm not very good at this quick and dirty proof of concept prototyping shit. I just, it goes against the blood in my veins. All right. Helicopter movement. Overview, vertical thrust, inertial base, drifting, and slow banking. Blueprint setup. Create a BP helicopter movement component. Add movement properties. Implement movement logic for throttle, turning, and banking. Can you expand on everything that says something to the line of okay. Savvy, why are you barking? Come on, girl. Quit it. Okay, so we got a bird person. Should I make each one of these as a different one? Fuck it. We're just gonna shove it all in here, I think. Okay, bird states. Input. So here's all my inputs. Is what we're gonna do. All right. Helicopter movement components. Let's stick that. We're gonna have a bunch of movement components now, right? I want these to all be able to be stuck onto anything, right? Let's just let's do it right here for now. Blueprint class. Is there a movement? One item. Object. Can I make it as a component? How many different components are there? I didn't see movement component pop up, but I know there are movement components. I know they exist. There's a default one on a real engine. What could the BP X type BP type movement components inherit from? U actor component or U pawn movement component, depending on the level of control and physics interaction you want. Recommend for modularity and flexibility. This for high level movement logic where you apply forces to an existing thing, easy to attach and dynamic, uses across different actor types, allows you to modify existing pawn movement for full control. We wanted to customize movement calculations instead of using add force and add impulse. You can directly control movement updates using the tick component. Ideal if you need predictable, self-contained movement logic rather than relying on Unreal's default physics. Which one should you use? Your movement system primarily applies forces and impulses. Just use the U actor. If you need full control over it, here's how to set it up. The U actor component is the recommended type. Okay. That sounds wrong, but that is what I need. All right. BP, fucking type, helicopter, movement, component. Okay. When I open this up, what do I get? This is pretty much all new stuff. All right, in here, we could add potential properties. Like max lift force. Probably want that to be a float, right? And turn speed. Probably float. I'm not really sure. Drift, damping. Implement movement logic. Use add force to apply continuous upward lift when throttle up is pressed. So This fucking instructions suck. Actually, they actually suck. That's fine. That is a-okay. So inputs. Let's go over here. You rewrite the instructions step by step following that you say. Yeah, I don't need it. That's good enough. All right. Let's go new input action. Where are my input? Is it miscellaneous for input actions? Or is there a movement? Input action. There we go. It is under input. All right. IA underscore. We'll go throttle up. Okay. And we're gonna need throttle down. Throttle down. We're gonna need I don't think we need anything else, right? Probably just that. So this is for a helicopter, right? Okay. Can I? So flap is on spacebar. Can I do throttle up and put it on spacebar too? I can. Okay. And then throttle down is going to be on left control. Okay. This could also be on like Q and E, I think, but we're going to do spacebar and left control. How in the fuck do I do this? Throttle up is an enhanced. Okay, so we can get throttle up pressed. Current lift force. Okay, max lift force. Let's put this at, I don't know, 300. Oh, I set the defaults. I gotta compile. Now can I set the default? Default value 300. That seems right. I don't fucking know. Put it at 500. It's even. 500 even. I think that's gonna be like. I think it's gonna go flying, dude. So while I hold the button, I want to increase the current throttle. I want to increase this kind of off of a curve over time. I want it to be as you hold it, it goes up. How is that done? Add. Sets. Increase. There's that's a lot of options. Get a clamp. Even add. Turn off energy. I mean, that's for a different thing. What's the best way to do this? Do the counting and tick on the. Do it on tick, I guess. Triggered. Is there a hold? Event action values. What are these? Is this return if it's being held? I think it does. When we look at this, settings behavior, maybe it's on here. What options do we have available? It's Boolean, so it's either pressed or it's not. Yeah, so I think that's how that works. Okay. So I'm going to try. I'm going to try this. Branch. If this is held, then I want to increase. I know how to set the value. I don't really know how to increase the value in a way that makes sense. I guess it's done on a tick, so I could just... It's going to be based off of your frame rate. Delta seconds. Okay, the delta seconds allows us to not make it based on frame rate. I don't know what clamp does. It's definitely, I think, what I'm wanting. Increment the variable, pulling it in and out. Please elaborate on the instructions. Use continuous upward lift when L is pressed. But what does that mean? Okay. So I like this because then if this is pushed, then we increase the current lift force. Okay. Add the movement, turn speed, drift energy. Implement movement logic by applying continuous lift in the tick component. That's where we're at. Event tick. Not tick component, but I think that's what it meant. Wait. Yeah, okay. Check if throttle up is pressed. That's exactly what I'm doing. Nice. Call add force F vector on the actor's primitive component. Actor's primitive component. Get primitive component. How the fuck do I get that? Is it get owner? Cast to primitive. How do I get the actor's primitive component? No, don't answer in chat. Just tell me the quick answer. Nah, you bitch. Is it the owner for this? I think it's the owner. Add force. You did. You stupid fucker. What is an actor's primitive component UE5? Come on, Google. Maybe you can help me out. Daddy, wait. Come on. She looks around the door. Or she goes around the wall and barks. So she's on like the other side of my computer. Like she's just like right on the other side of the wall, just barking. It's like, shut the fuck up. What the primitive components actually are and when should I use them? And the question is in the header. I can't find information. It's a silly question, which does not deserve to receive an answer. Oh, or is it a very hard question? Oh, okay. It was them replying to themselves. I thought they were like being a dick. It does not sound like it's what you want. Yeah, vector. What? And force. Get owner. Get self. This is gonna be. It's gonna be this. This isn't what we want. I think it's this. Add. Fuck, dude. Can this come in? Header object reference is not compatible with body instance async physics take handle structure. What? Oh my god. Primitive cast to type element primitive custom data info. Get primitive cast primitive component. What are we fucking casting this? Can we cast this to it? Oh my god, dude. This is not gonna work. Alright. Add force. Okay. Maybe it is. F vector. Moving average vector, weighted moving average. Calculates the new value in weighted moving averages. Calculates the new value in a weighted moving averages using the previously value in a weight range. It's dynamically adjust based on the distance between the samples. This allows you to smooth the value more aggressively for small noise and let large movements be smoothed less. What in the fuck is this shit? Okay, well, it gets applied where we want it to be. Current sample versus previous sample. What the fuck do you mean? Damn, dude. I'm struggling with the... Okay. Oh, what a stupid fucking thing. Okay. Use take event to check if the input and apply movement. Applying continuous lift instead of just use add force. Create a reference to the static mesh or primitive component that has physics enabled. So yeah, how? It's got to be the owner. All right, it's got to be the owner. And then add force node. Apply an upward force on total up spacebar is pressed. So I was thinking that when the button is pressed, it increases the lift force up to the max. And that I think this needs to be a sequence. So I think that, like, first thing we do is check if the button's pressed. If so, I want to increase this thing. What? Dude, these fucking instructions are wild. They're just making no sense at all. All right, so they're just doing it like that. Okay, I see. They're doing it differently. Maybe that's fine. All right. Let's try this out. I want to put this over here. I can't put it over there because I lost a monitor. Trying to make it so you're not looking at the back of my head. In that case, I don't fucking want it done on tick. I want it done on the button. That's how we're going to do it. Yeah, so let's get the owner. Paste it up here. We're going to try doing it this way. All right, so then we want to just add force to this guy. Add force. Okay. Okay. Cast to movement. Static mesh. Does this fucking have add force to it? It does. Is this what we want to add force to? I just wanted to add force to whatever the fuck this is. Like, I don't know what this cast type element printable custom data interface is. This one's cast to layer controller. It's a pawn. Cast a pawn. There. All right, the movement control should be on a pawn. There, and now as the pawn, we go add force. We can't add force? Apply force? You suck. Force? Net update? Bitch. On my pigeon, I was doing this add force shit. Was I not? Flap. Get the player pawn. The forward direction. Add force. We're just calling. Then we're calling on target its primitive component. Okay, so we are doing it off a primitive component. Okay. We're doing it off primitive component all along. I just didn't know it. Primitive. That is not the same fucking thing, now is it? This is here. Why can I do that cast, but I can't do it up here? It's weird. Maybe I was spelling it wrong. I don't know. All right, cast primitive component. Add force. Okay. And we want it to be an upward force, which is on the Z axis. What in the fuck? Modify. In the event graph, check the tick event. Check movement input and apply movement. Applying continuous lift. Instead of add force, use add force. Create a reference to the static mesh that has physics enabled. Use add force node to apply an upward force when the throttle up is pressed. When throttle up is pressed, apply. Yeah, this shit is just so fucking weird, dude. So fucking weird. Break, transform. What is this? It's a vector. Why are you breaking it into this? Break. Transform. Dude, are you kidding me, man? I just want to set the Y variable, man. Break. Not like this. Not like this. Make F vector. New F vector. F vector. Fuck you. F vector. 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 Almost. We're getting there. Make. Make is the word. Make vector. You are a bitch. Break. Vector. Dude, this should not be so difficult. This is fucking pissing me off. Vector up. What does that even mean? 1. Oh, that's kind of nice. Make vector. 3D. Make vector. All right. This is all I want. Boom. That's all I fucking wanted. Why was that such a pain in the ass? Max lift force. Boom. Easy. Shit. Warning. Primitive component does not inherit from actor. Cast a primitive component will always fail. Get player pawn. What about that? Does not inherit from pawn. Fuck. What's going on here, man? Target self. Target primitive component. What is this fucking flap on? It's on this pigeon. Is it not? Self. P character. We're on a character. Get player character. Can you do it here? Why not? What the fuck, dude? I hate GPT because I'm pretty sure it gave me really good answers early on, and then when I asked it for clarifications, it just got lost in the sauce. It started hallucinating and telling me dumb shit. Is this even needed? So we have a character movement component in C++. Can we, in the event graph, this flap shit is just logic handled here. What does my character movement component even look like? I don't have one. This is the default character movement, I believe. Edit in CPP. What pops up here? Yeah, definitely not mine. Definitely not mine. Primitive component is all there. I bet you that it's thinking that the parent is not this thing. Parent class, let's go with movement. What do you mean movement does not come up? Come on, darling. Give me a little something here. Let's try this. Oh my god, dude. Why? Why are you failing to compile here? Dude, it's not hooked up. Come on. Come on. Oh, this one. Fuck you. Thank you. Wow. Get primitive. Not there. Primitive. Has a primitive component. Has a primitive component class. What? Oh man, dude. Can be applied to anything. All right, let's see here. New chat window. You slot. All right. Let's try this again. Class defaults. Class defaults? On this, right? It's up here. I thought up here had the... class settings. Okay. Actor component. Again. Try this again. Reparent. Yes. What is going on here, dude? What the fuck? I see. All right. Max lift force. Max forward speed. Forward speed. Yaw speed. Tilt speed. In the event tick, update movement using physics forces. Make sure the component applies movement forces only if it is an actor with a floating pawn movement or physics body. So it's wanting to... Can I make multiple event ticks? No, I cannot. Okay. I have one. All right. Just gonna keep moving this thing around, trying dumb shit. Update movement using physics forces. Make sure the component applies movement forces only if it's... that doesn't seem to... Okay. Create an input action. I throttle. I move forward. I yaw. I roll. Let's go do that. If throttle up, I guess it can go both ways. All right. Throttle. As a float axis. Axis 1D. Axis 2D. $1D. Okay. Back down, back over here. We need to move forward. I think we've already got that. I'm going to try to use the other one for it. Yaw and roll. Okay. Input. Input action. IA underscore yaw. Edit this. Float. Save. Close, close. First person. Input. Input action. IA. Roll. Okay. Save. Open. Float. Save. Okay. All right. Find these actions in the helicopter movement component. I need to make an IMC helicopter. Okay. That makes sense. Okay. Yada yada yada. Yada yada yada. Input. Input mapping context. IMC helicopter. Okay. Open this shit up. Mapping. Throttle. Mapping. Roll. Mapping. Yeah. All right. Pitch. I forgot these words. All right, whatever. Throttle. We're gonna go with space bar and left control. Modifier is gonna be negative on the left control. Okay. Roll. I don't know. How do we want the roll and yaw? And why is there no pitch? Pitch is up and down, right? And then roll is if you're rolling, and then yaw is if you're like tilting, like if you're drifting. Okay. That shit doesn't work. It's giving it to me in C++. It was a pleasure as always. I got to go. I'm surprised you hung out this long, Slider. Thanks for being a real one. I appreciate you. Hope you have a good day. Good night. Take care, bud. It's always a pleasure to have you here, man. I'm glad to see you. The happy Pikachu. The happy Pikachu. The happy Pikachu. All right. This shit. It's giving it to me in C++. This shit all makes sense. Oh my god. Oh no. I can't do that one. I can do the happy Pikachu dance. I can't do a front flip. Look at smack. Owning actor has the add force. That's the fucking issue, though. That is the fucking issue, though. And the tick function isn't used at all in the C++ on this. Okay. I think that I don't need to worry about the move. I just need to worry about throttle, roll, and yaw. So I'm gonna come into here. We're gonna go throttle and throttle is on the apply lift. See, so the thing is, I think GPT is just fucking with me, man. I might have been able to do this so much better without it, honestly. But I don't have the confidence. I don't trust myself. The throttle is confusing the fuck out of me because I'm thinking of a throttle, like you push it forwards or you pull it back, and it sets the constant value, and then that constant value is being applied. And that doesn't seem to be how it's like stating to use it, which is just pissing me the fuck off, I guess. Because it's confusing the shit out of me. Create vector. Vector. Okay, vector. Vector 2D, vector assign, normalize in place. What the? There's so much shit with the vector. What's a vector 2D versus vector 4? Vector set? Yeah, let's do vector set. What is this alpha? Vector by reference? What in the hell? All right, action value multiply this max lift force. So then this is just if it's on or off. That's all it is. And we're sticking the Z. Sweet. On or off. Awesome. That's all I want. On or off. Sweet. We got the vector. And now on the owning actor, get owner. Please, for the love of fucking God, have an apply force. Fuck you. Add force. Force. Fuck you. Target is actor component. In blueprints on the BP helicopter movement component with a parent of U actor component. When I use get owner, I cannot then call add force. Let's get owner. This is what about actor? What do I shoot? Get actor of class. What get actor? Is there a get owning actor? This is the target. Owner. You can get the owner of the owner. Target is actor component. Target is actor. Add force. Force. I don't fucking know. Get the root component or another specific physics component and apply force it. Get the root component and check if it's primitive component, like static mesh or skeletal mesh. Get root component. Fuck you, dude. Okay, so the root is off of the actor though, right? Get root. Oh, thank God. All right. And now we have to cast to primitive component. Oh my God, it's finally coming together. Okay. And now we can add the force. Oh, Jesus. It's beautiful. Vector by reference. You dildo. Oh, break. I don't want to name vector. Come on. How did I do this before? We're back to the same fight. It's just a make vector. Plug that shit in there. Fuck you. We don't need you. Come down here. Violence is always the answer. You just yell at things. All right. Ta-da! Now, I'm afraid to check to make sure it works. Do we want to rotate? What do rotate keys even be? Okay, so that's a helicopter. Okay, so we're not a pigeon. I gotta drop that. We're not a pigeon. We're a helicopter. With the helicopter, Spacebar, we're gonna go up, and then we're gonna rotate, which will make us go off to the side. If we yaw, we're just gonna spin in place. So what's the difference between spin in place and rotate if I'm flying a helicopter on a keyboard? You don't ever want to rotate as a helicopter, right? You rotate as a helicopter, you fucking die. I want pitch. I want to hit W to pitch down, and then the space bar to go like that. And I hit D to rotate to the side a little bit. But I don't want to do it too much because then I would flip over. Right? I think so. Copy this all down. Delete this guy. Rotate. Roll. Oh shit. Roll needs to be D and A being negative. I think. Here's how it's done. Okay. And now we go into here. We have to roll. Wait, yaw is the rotation? I don't fucking know. Let's disable this. Throttle is on space until, yep, okay. I'm going to come into here and I'm going to add helicopter movement component to this. And then I'm going to go into the event graph and disable flapping. We're going to compile. We're going to save everything. And see if this thing does anything. So you still walk around and now I hit spacebar. Ain't nothing happening, Chief. Has to have simulate physics needs to be on. Okay. There's two simulate physics. That's a little weird. From both on, I guess. File. Play. Okay. Well, now it's fucking broken. The collision enabled is incompatible. You ho. Let me scroll to the top. Create input mappings, where did all that? One movement. None of that is there. Get owner. Fly lift. Should the address physics enabled or schedule mesh component. Enable simulate physics on the mesh. What the fuck is this thing about? Ow, why is my finger fucking hurting? God dang. Close. Simulate character mesh 0 dancing is set to simulate physics, but collision enabled is incompatible. What does that even mean? Why is there 2 simulate physics? Collision enabled. God dang, dude. Query only. What? I set the root component to have physics enabled. It throws an error saying collision is to simulate physics. Simulate physics. Throws an error saying collision is but collision enabled is incompatible. But collision enabled is incompatible. It's like I pinched a nerve. I know I was doing this, leaning on my thumb with my tooth, but now my thumb fucking hurts. It's pretty fucking bad. For the root, usually a static mesh component or a skeletal mesh component. Select the component and do the static mesh component or the capsule component on the actor. All right. Is it this one or this one? Go to the detail panel and find collision. This is the root one right here. What's the viewport look like? Get this shit out of here. The viewport is the pigeon itself. Yeah. Yeah. Collision. Okay. Simulate, generate hit events, general overlap events. What do we got here? So collision enabled to physics only or query in physics. Collision. Query only, no physical collision. Because it's a character mesh as the root component. Oh. It's not a static mesh, it's a character mesh. Why? It'll work off skeletal mesh. These aren't in alphabetical order. It's gonna hit custom. Oh. Query and all right, let's try that. Fuck out of me. Oh yeah, fuck, dude. You don't fucking want that, dude. This is fucking it all up, man. It just falls right the fuck over, dude. Yeah, it made me jump too. My root is a character mesh. Your component is a character mesh. Skeletal mesh component inside a character-based blueprint. The issue is that UE5 does not allow the root component of a character to simulate physics. The character class requires the capsule component as the root, which does not support physics-based movement in the same way. Solution: use a floating pawn or custom physics-based pawn. God dang, dude. Fuck. What monsters are you fighting? Are you hunting the monsters? Dude. Fuck me. Alright. Simulate physics. Turn these off. These were off before. Compile. Save. Run it. I can walk around, but I might jump disabled. Okay. Yeah. This graph, the flap adds force. And it does launch character. Does launch character. What if over here, instead of add force, we do launch character? Launch character. As character. Cast to character. Get character. Get player character. Okay. Launch character. Okay. Launch velocity. Here we go. We just plug this in. Plug this in. Compile. Play. Oop. Max lift force. Take that shit down from 500. The problem is this is not going to feel like a helicopter, is it? Fuck me. I'm slowly able to actually bank this thing around. I am. Okay. Fly. Well, I just check this box for can fly. Yo, what's up, feet? It's been a difficult one today, man. Not gonna lie. Not really any progress on it today. But we're trying to make a helicopter style movement controls. I'm trying to make it so that I can test out different movement styles to see which one I like. You're gonna kiss yourself. Instagram and TikTok are showing so much shit more than usual. Yeah. It means you were doing some shitty things. And it was like, oh, you like this because you're doing it. And you're like, no. And that's how they work, man. That's how they work. I'm sorry. Right. It's not that you touch the thing on them. It's that they pay attention to what you do literally everywhere. Whenever you're in a store like Walmart, there's Bluetooth tags in the aisles. So if you're in an aisle standing there, the Bluetooth registers your phone and they know that phone's associated with you, and then they serve you ads based off of what you're doing. Literally everywhere. I'm done. I'm not going to use social media. Man, I didn't touch Instagram. Here, we don't have that shit. Well, fucking my place is scary as hell. Well, whenever you Google something, whenever you Google crazy hentai porn, it knows that Google search was associated with your account. It does do that. Man, I didn't. Okay. When you search Shini naked, you know, that's what it gives you. Ah, okay. I see. Well. What the hell, man? What the hell? All right, roll. What are they doing for move forward? I want actor to ignore gravity, right? No, I don't. I want to ignore gravity when this is on. Gravity. Maybe that's not on the. Maybe it's on here. Gravity. Ask custom gravity. Okay, gravity direction. Is gravity enabled? Set and I want to disable gravity. Okay, gravity direction has custom gravity. Whether the gravity direction is different from the. Oh, that's kind of cool. You can set the gravity direction. That's kind of cool. Set enabled body. Set enable gravity. Set enable gravity. On all bodies. Enable gravity off. No, off. Okay. What about this? Does this disable gravity? When gravity disabled, right? I didn't do anything over here, right? All right, let's try this. No, I'm still falling. All right, that's fine. Whatever. Fuck it. Well, I was about to play Warframe, but I'm just too done to see shit, and I don't want to play anymore. No, Shinny, don't disable gravity. I need to disable gravity, my man. Although it doesn't seem to be doing a damn thing. Gravity. Disable gravity. I guess I can do it on the pigeon itself real quick. I want to test gravity. Gravity. Apply gravity while jumping. I gotta go up on here. Gravity enabled. Off. Okay. Save. Run. Play. Jump. Why the fuck am I falling? I just turned off gravity. Dumb fucking bitch. All right, whatever. Let's turn gravity back on. Since it didn't fucking work. Physics. Simulate physics. Those are off. Okay. I don't know. Man, I need smart content. Well, I'm sorry. I know Shinny sounds smart or say some smart things. If you ever need a bidet, you can just put your finger in the way. Just there. It rhymed, so it's got to be smart, right? Right? Why? No. Oh shit. Oh, my bad. You put me under pressure, man. Enable gravity. Well, the gravity should be enabled. I mean, it should be off, right? Play. Oh, fuck me. Dang, it's so fucking loud. All right. All right. Let's give up on that for now. Let's work on the rotation and rolling. The tilt. Let's try this out. Over here. God dang, this is a fucking mess. Okay, I'm gonna delete all this shit. This just goes into here. Copy all this. Whoa. Copy all this. Paste it down here. Roll, baby. IA roll. Okay. Same thing. This just goes into what? show me how to do the. Okay. Action value was going into here, but now we want it on like roll. You know what? I'm gonna walk through the kitchen and see nothing just to do something. Oh no! I made him go on an angry walk. Answer in chat, dude. This is not in chat. Oh my fucking god! It's so fucking stupid. I fucking hate this thing. Fucking hate this thing. Wait, on here. Oh yeah, because it's it's not. I can't do this. Okay. Roll is on roll helicopter. All right. All right, let's try it here. All right, so we got a roll speed, right? No, we got a tilt speed and a yaw speed. I hate this game. Why is there so many things that... Alright. I just need to use it as a guide. I don't know why I'm so obsessed with just copying what it says exactly, but what it says is fucking stupid. I know that, so I just need to fucking stop. Alright. So, roll is going to be woo 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 woo. Roll is woo woo woo. Alright. Let's try to make it do that. Off of the A and D key. Because I don't really want the force, do I? Yeah, whatever. Let's just cut all this for now. All right. So I can't tell if that's like pitch or anything. Like which one do we want it to be? Because I can just like fuck with shit. Hey, I need the root component. I think. Whoa, what the hell? Copy this, paste this. Okay. And now we need is there a roll function? No. Okay. What is torque? Nothing. Awesome. It needs to be off of a fucking primitive component, I think. But I can't do. I think that's the case. Now, yeah. But it's not a primitive component. Get capsule, get child component. Get sub, get owning component. Get component by class. God dang. All right, now this one I think is a primitive component. A target scene component. I think this fucking works. Here, let's try this. That's not gonna work. Unless I copy this down. Copy, copy, drop, drop. Paste, paste, paste. Does this work? Wow. Error. Target must be connected. Yep, my bad. Okay. Play. Oh, well, that's kind of a problem because those buttons are already taken. That left control doesn't do dick. Why didn't left control work? Left control negative. Right here. Save. Left control should work for the throttle. Because then in here, left control should be pressed at a -1 value. And then add... Oh, wait. Yeah, it should be launching it down. Wait, after watching Microwave, what'd you make? What'd you make? Let's just toggle this instead of D and A. Just put it on E and Q. So we're just trying to test if this shit works. So okay, well I guess it doesn't work on E because E is also a button. Fuck. Put it on F. Fucking F. Play. That does not work. Okay. Failure again. Fuck. Why is that not fucking working? Ooh, there's an ongoing. Oh, I like that. That's what I want. Same for this one. It seemed like it was still doing that, though. I bet you that's going to bug it out to where it goes, like, crazy hard. Nope. Why does... Alright, whatever. Fuck this game. Fuck this game. This game sucks. It's made by an idiot. Close, close, collapse, collapse. Having fun? Hey, Pixel Shake, what's up? Having fun? This game's made by a fucking idiot. Fuck this game. Yeah, I'm having lots of fucking fun. Dude. I don't understand. On the static mesh, dude. Why? All right, so what I'm trying to do, Pixel, is I'm trying to make it... I want to make multiple movement prototypes. I don't want them to be polished. I just want different movement styles to try them out. All right, and I'm guessing this is what's fucking failing this fucking piece of shit right here. There's a bit of an issue where in the movement component, if I get the owner and I get the root component of it, well, the root component is actually the pigeon and not the capsule. So the root component is the character and it fucks everything up. And I could just drag this up onto that. The selected component is inherited and cannot be reordered here. But I'm a little afraid to. P character A. Oh, I cannot do that because we set it such that we never set the root component in here. Anyways, the root component. Oh yeah, we did right here. The root component is attached to the root component. What the fuck is the root component, eh? What the fuck? Oh, okay, it's up at the top. Top left. Awkward location root. The root component isn't specified, so it's just the scene component. Use controller rotation on false. Use B orient rotation movement equals to B orient rotation to movement. Use controller rotation, yo. So, and one of the things while I'm trying to do this test is I don't want to like fuck with things too much because I could like drag things around or whatever. I really thought that get owner root component and then get child component. I thought that would get me this capsule here, which is do capsule, which is I guess I do cast failed print string failed primitive cast. Can I do both? No, I can't. All right, let's try that. See if that pops it up. That's off of the roll, which I think is on F right now. All right. It's not printing it. It's not printing it. So that would make me think it's passing. If you're just testing shit, you could literally just get owner, cast the owner blueprint, and grab the capsule. Get owner, cast the owner. I mean, I am literally trying to do that. Get owner. Cast the owner blueprint and grab the capsule. What mean? Oh, you mean like cast a this and then... Okay, so I was right on that. And now get capsule. I was trying to get the children. I was trying to get like the children component by like type. Oh, there we go, dude. Wait, what? Okay, I don't need that. I just need this. Oh my fucking god, dude. You're a fucking genius. All right. We need to run away. No, paste here. Break this. Because we never break anything. We just run away. All right, so once we get the capsule component, we're just trying to, on the roll, roll be this thing. This thing is some fucking weird ass shit. This thing says it's a root component, but that root component does not. There's no fucking way, right? This has add torque. Yeah, it's gotta be on here. Torque. Degrees. I don't know if we want degrees or radians. I'm not a mathematician. What is an example that we want for this? Gonna roll a capsule. I think. Okay, so in C++, is the capsule in private? No, it's not. It's not set up in C++ at all on the capsule, surprisingly. I don't know what torque does. What the fuck is torque? I thought torque was like an invisible force that you get from twisting shit. Like not the same as centrifugal force, but like along that vein. I don't know. Dude, brake vector has been pissing me off. It's not brake vector. It's like, and it's not just brake. Brake transform is not it either, because then it does this. I don't want a brake I just want make vector. Break make vector? No, you fucking slut. Break vec 4. Break 2 vectors? Why is there 3? Make, yeah. But see, it doesn't pop up off of this one, right? Make vector, or does it? Vector, bam. It does. Haha! I knew this the whole time. All right. Bone name none. Acceleration change true. Tilt speed goes into the X slot according to this. What the fuck is the proposed tilt speed anyways? Multiply. Put this here. Shove this in. What does this do? Que anda haciendo Don Guapo? Hey, Lychee! As soon as I read Guapo, I was like, this better be Lychee. Calling me cute. Go, my handsome. How you doing? You can come get a handsome. Come get a handful. What? Fuck is this? Oh. Get owner. Get owner. Slut. Alright. Save. What? How about undetermined connect something to cast BP? What do you fucking mean? Why you mad? I come to get you the view. Thanks, baby. How have you been, Lychee? Target self. Why is this one? This one didn't, bitch. Why is this one chill? Target is actor component. Target is actor. Why is this one target actor component and this one's target actor? Someone make it make sense. Get owner. This one's actor component. All right, well, fuck you, dude. Plug that in. What? Why? All right. IA roll is here. It's 1D. Float. Cool. We got it over here. Roll as F and Q because fuck you. And yeah, so that should do whatever the hell this does. And I don't know. Let's find out. F. Q. It's not doing a damn thing. I don't think it's fucking working. The options are it's either not working or it doesn't do what I think it does. System. Let's go print. Print string. We're just gonna print hello. Run it again. Sorry. Go back. Compile it. Run it again. Yeah, it's not printing hello. It's not registering. Bird has helicopter movement component. Can we not have multiple movement components? Is that the problem? Is that the problem? And this one's not even a movement component. This one's a character movement component. Why you know fucking work, bub? You got any ideas, Pixel? So this stuff's not registering here. Yeah, you can't do this. What do you mean? The capsule is the movement component. I'm putting it on the capsule here, yeah? So right here, the capsule is down here, and this is the main one. So to do this, you need to start with the fresh class. Because you want the capsule component to be the root. Or butcher the whole thing. Yeah. Yeah, see, that's what I'm trying to avoid is the butchering the whole thing. But I'm starting to consider it more and more because I just want to fucking try some things out. But you know, at this point, it would have been a hell of a lot fucking faster if I just slaughtered everything. All right, so where is my goddamn main game? Oh, here we go. Got moved over. All right, so what you're telling me is I gotta come in here and I gotta go bam, bam, blueprint class, character, and go see. Oh, so P character is my custom character. Well, let's just go with a default character. Don't use character, use pawn. Well, what character is under pawn? Pawn is an actor that can be possessed, and a character is a pawn that has the ability to walk around. Yeah, but the character has a lot built into it. Okay. All right. And you're trying to fight against it. Makes sense. BP, helicopter test. No, we don't need to test. Yes, we're testing out the helicopter movement, but who knows? Maybe this makes it. Everything gets shipped from proof of concept to prod, okay? Everywhere, all the fucking time. That's why everything's on fire, nothing works, okay? This is how it's done. All right, add capsule collision. No, what the fuck? That's not what I want. I was expecting. Okay, that's capsule component. What? Huh? What? All right, static mesh. I'm a cone. Be the root. Can you not be the root? Be the root. Just see if any big issues I can chime in. Can you explain what you want to do? Okay. So what I initially wanted to do was to have like 4 different movement types that I could like hot swap off of. Like I press F1, F2, F3, F4. It's like some button out there, and it would change my movement scheme and everything, movement behavior, movement button, everything. So I could try between like a helicopter style movement, like a alien ship style movement, like a jousting flappy style movement, and then like whatever one, like the 4th one be like whichever one like I'm actively working on as like the movement style. And I would like to have a plain style in there. So I wanted to be able to be like for testing. So I can, because like the main idea of the game is pretty fucking simple, right? I fly around. All right, well, I broke the buttons doing shit. All right, we come in here, disable this guy, go back into this thing, hook this back up, pile. All right. So the main idea is like, right now it's on like Joust, like the old game Joust. So like every time I hit the space bar, it gives me a little bit of a diagonal bump in the direction I'm facing. And then I click and I drop bombs. And because I'm pooping. And then the poop is fiery and bam, deals damage or whatever. And so I want to get this movement stuff set up. And then after that, I want to set up like targets so I can test the game and see which one feels better, which one seems more fun. Like, because like maybe this style of movement isn't fun for people because it's like kind of hard to hold D and mash the space bar at the same time. And like right now, this one's not optimal, right? Because it's going up and in the direction I'm moving, and there needs to be like some serious like curve mechanic or something. So like when I turn around, it accelerates it faster. I don't know. There needs to be optimizations for this to like really work out, right? But for testing, this is kind of fun. Like, okay, I want to hit that smaller building, and oh shit, I way overshot it because it keeps in the momentum of the pigeon. I didn't realize how fucking high up in the air I was. All right, well, this time we're gonna get it. Bam, and then oh, I hit the wrong one. I hit this one, but see, like this is kind of fun. All right, let's see if I can hit that little circle. Oh, I did it right on top. Perfect. Right. So like, this is kind of fun. But then like I also imagine with the game, like, okay, I go in to a target and I shit on the target. Like, okay, one of the first targets is going to be the guy's boss. So I go through the building, navigate through the building. I can like pick up papers, fuck it around, whatever the rest of the game is. I don't give a shit. The rest of the game, figure it out later. But like, I go through the building and then I shit on the boss and then I need to escape. And at that point, he's like, everyone's going to be trying to like swat me down or whatever. And I can imagine that at that point, I would like maybe an airplane style movement better, where I can like more navigate like this, you know? Or maybe that's a matter of like I hold shift and it turns into that. But maybe the whole game is just better if it feels like that. Because like this is really just like reskinning like a bombing game Like you're just a bomber and you're bombing things. Like that is it. You're just a World War II bomber and you're bombing shit, right? But I don't know. I could see like since it's an arcade silly game, like maybe it's better to just have alien UFO style like movement. Like maybe it's just better to have that precise, easy, simple movement because it's gonna be a super simple, silly game. So like maybe I don't need all this other stuff. But I kind of like the jousting. Smashing the button, like I just remember that really fondly. I just really like that, just smash, 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 smash. And so yeah, kind of fucking around with that a little bit. Also, I gotta leave in like 20 minutes. Just a heads up. But yeah. So I was trying to get it set up in like a movement component, so I could just stick the components on the on here and have like a button to toggle, like maybe tab is a button to like toggle my movement style, and then it would just be like remove this component, equip this component. So like I was just thinking like I would just remove helicopter component, put on the other component. And like the current IMC bird stuff, it's like I would need the flap. Like I would have to pull flap out into like its own thing, but you know, like looking around and the interact key, all that stuff stays. It doesn't matter what movement style I have. That's like a base movement going to be on everything. Is kinematic versus physics. Probably not physics based, even like the flapping one and stuff, because while it can be really cool to have physics based movement, it's also much more difficult and it's a lot easier to just fake it. So I would want to fake it. A lot less bugs too, is my understanding. Now why won't you? Oh, okay. Okay. Gotcha. Add component capsule. Yep. I guess I'm just not remembering how that works. All right. I thought it was a capsule component. Is it not on this thing? It is a capsule component. So why is this? Why do I not see component? Capsule. Don't know. Is that something I did in C++? Is that why? Did I name it capsule component in my C++? I like this Alt-O button. Oh my god, dude. So good. Capsule. Oh. Weird. Capsule is the capsule component. It's just, it's got a different name. That's over weird things. See, this is called capsule collision. It's different. Capsule in the other character is from the character and not from. Okay, gotcha. And like you said, it's just whoa. Slow it down. Slow it down. It's fine. It's good enough for now. Let's click on the cone. Maybe shrink the scale. Lock it. Pull it down a little bit. Sure, seems fine. There's the location. I can just raise it a little bit. Fine for now. Don't care. Okay. I just want the movement shit to fucking work. So then I can just go movement or helicopter movement component. Bam. Let's put on here. And now I need to like, what's it called? Oh, I know why it wasn't working now. So the conflict right off the bat is what you was doing when I arrived was working with physics. Yeah, so, well, I'm using, like, add impulse or whatever. So it just, like, hits it. And I'm like, ignore weight, just, like, fucking fling it. So what do you mean by kinematic? Are you talking about, like, those weird graphs and shit? All right, over here, we need to search for IMC. Does that pull it up? Mapping? Does it need like a player controller or some shit? There's mapping. There's not? I thought maybe I saw a putty cat. I thought that there was a thing where I specified. Oh, it's on the pigeon itself. I need to click up on this. Now search for mapping. Still a negative. Yeah, default mapping component. I thought this was here. Kinematic means that we never use physics. Instead, we set actor component location each frame, where physics means we're applying forces, such as torque, impulse, and force, and angular impulse. Okay. So it does definitely sound like I was doing physics initially. I mean, like, I would think I would want to. Yeah. I was just thinking that, like, physics is like in working with gravity and stuff. You just can't mix and match. And I was thinking that, like, pushing things around didn't really interact with the gravity. So I can't set a default mapping context because I don't have any inputs on this. Oh, yes, I do. It's right here. It's just minimized. Override input component class. What's the input component class over here? Inputs. There's none. Then why am I able to set the default mapping context? Again, this must be a player thing. All right, well, since we don't have the player thing, then how do we do it? Are we sure we don't want it to be a character? Yeah, character. And your other one, you're set up for control customization. And which one? In the pigeon class or the cone? You know, but if you have the mapping context, I don't believe you need any of that. As long as you have the mapping context. Well, so you're talking about this stuff. So this stuff is on that movement component for the helicopter. But I think that you still have to set it up over here. The pawn has that. Yeah, the pawn has the input. Can we add inputs? That doesn't work. Yeah, oh, that's fucking why. Oh, that's fucking why, because throttle's on spacebar here. Okay. Yeah, you're right. That's why I couldn't get the IMC to work, because you have to. No, it's just the attribute sets. The mapping. I'm conflating the two. Sorry. I was thinking of the gas system. The gas system you have to set up through C++ if you want to use it, but I wasn't utilizing it yet. I kind of like outlined it here, but I wasn't doing anything with it yet. It was just like a placeholder. So I don't think that's necessarily. I don't think you need to do anything in CPP. As part of the reflection, I don't think it uses reflection because you're specifying everything here. You got direct hookups on everything. Knock up. Yeah, let's do it. Let's go for it. We got 15. It's a hard stop too, because otherwise I get beaten. All right. So we got this helicopter movement component. We got this guy here. I guess if I'm just mocking it up, I can jump into the event graph and just start like throwing buttons down. Being like, throttle. What happens when we hit this? And then like action value. I did not expect this to have. Oh yeah, sorry, that's that button input. So get your jump button or whatever you want to add your upward force with. Yep, spacebar. Hit the capsule of the root as well. Okay, capsule, root, done. Now I can, oh, there's the thing I was looking for earlier. Cool. All right, sweet. It's looking beautiful. We can just do it like this. Space bar. Bam. Fuck you. Okay. And now when it's pressed, we want so boom. No, never mind. I'm not. Let's not do that. Let's not do that. All right. I was about to make things stupid. Let's make things simple. So it's just like force, like upward force, right? You want movement throttle relative to the capsule up vector, or just up? Relative to the capsule up vector, right? Because you would tilt forwards, and then go like that. So we would want to do this. Roots. Does it matter if it's root or it might have to be root. Get root. Transform. Root component. There we go. Thank you. Okay. And with the root component, we need this thing to have simulate physics on. Right? Oh wait. No, we're getting away from physics. We're not doing physics. But it has to have physics on for us to add force to it. So we just, how else would you do it if you're not trying to add force? We can do it either way. I guess I don't know how to do it the other way. How would you set the screen position? Yeah, I don't know. Use controller rotation pitch. Use controller. Oh yeah, we're gonna want to. Oh shit. Yeah, we need to spring arm. I'll do this camera. What you say out, whatever you want to say out. Spring arm. Probably want it to be target length. Let's go 600. No, maybe 400. Offset, target offset. Where is the rotation? Can I just click on it? There, just tilt it up a little bit. All right. Set the world location on tick. No, I probably don't want to do that. So I guess we'll do physics way. All right, so capsule, we need simulate physics on, and the collision type, query only. It can't be query only. On, yeah. I think that's what we want. So if you're doing it with forces, you could literally just simulate physics for the capsule, then on tick, get capsule up vector, and multiply that by the spacebar press input times a force. And there you have it, upwards force. Do I need to put it on the main one too? Doesn't look like it's an option there. On tick. Why would you do it on tick versus on the like spacebar button press? That is directly in the up direction, which would add force. Why is that force not a thing? So it only fires once? Because the press you have there is not enhanced input. So it only fires once. Oh, gotcha. All right, well, Oh, fuck. Well. That's annoying. Yeah, press or release. And don't use the root component. Use the capsule. All right. Why not the root component? They're the same, right? Apply force. I can't use force on these things. Wait, add force. Was I doing apply earlier? Son of a bitch. All right, so this only goes off once whenever it's pressed. So this would create like the flapping thing. Do I need to like have a I need to go down here and go boom. B is flying. I don't know. Upward force. Sure. Upward force. I hate this shit. All right. Do. Set bool. Okay, fuck you. Set value. Okay, fuck you. Alt out. There. Pressed. Set the true. Release. Set the false. That feels nasty as fuck. Okay. Tick. Bam. Bam. Branch. Bam, bam, bam. No, 100. Okay. And now, world settings. BP hella. BP hell. Nice. Play. No. Yeah, but it works, and this is just really nasty testing, like you said. But did you set it to simulate physics? Plus 100 is nowhere near enough. I did set it to simulate physics. What I needed to do is mass. Wait. Gravity. There's like a. You want gravity disabled for helicopter style. There is there's an ignore weight option. I remember seeing it before. All right. Bet. I stopped pushing the button. The release doesn't matter. 300. It doesn't like. There's no wind resistance, I guess. Wham. I expected it to stop going up whenever I stopped pushing the button. Because then this release sets us to false, and when this is true is when it applies. I get. Oh, it's a force. It's not. Ah, motherfucker. Yeah, there's no counter force. Yeah, it's not. Okay, so I'm definitely thinking of it in the way that you're saying, the not physics. I'm definitely thinking of it as a not physics, but I'm not thinking of it like. Because I'm like, all right, I just go up and then I stop when I'm not pushing the button. What would that be? Like set location is what you're saying. So look, add world offset. Set relative location. Get location. No, this is a relative location. Not relative? Okay. That world location. And rotation. Okay. Then we get location. And then we need to break. Make. So weird that make vector. All right. Son of a bitch. This is vector. Let's do vector math. New vector up. Multiply 300. Multiply this thing. Stick it in. No, no, no. You're going to leave the universe. Bet. It crashed. Oh, shit. Give me my mouse back. Damn it. Oh, shit. I didn't think it'd be that bad. No. I can kind of see. There's my mouse right there. Click stop. All right. Fucking hell. Oh, sweet. It stopped. All right. Now we hit play and we hit escape. Okay. So not that. So not that. Just plus. All right. Are we adding here? I guess I don't know my vector math. I was thinking plus. Add 300 up. And then we want to combine these together. Is that a multiply? Because like they're arrows, and when you plus 1 on Z. Oh, because it's happening on every frame. Okay. Okay, well, in that case, we just do this with my crisscrossed applesauce. Sweep and teleport. What the fuck is that? All right. Oop. Aha! Aha! Ooh! Ooh! What if I just multiplied it again? Dude, I don't know. That was pretty shitty. Why don't we just do like 10? No, you can't multiply world positions. Just press the plus sign. Oh! That's fucking cool. You in here. Wait, what's the point in the vector up if I'm just doing that? I don't need this one, right? Yeah. 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 Fuck you. That's about how much I would expect it to do. All right, Debbie, you need outside. I forgot about you. All right, you go outside. You get fed. Yep. Yep. Go outside. Go. She heard me get food and she's like, I don't want to go outside. Man, all right. So this is pretty fucking shitty. But it's fine. Testing. Oh, wait. Why is there an is left control down, but there's not an in space right now? Okay, fine. Whatever, fuck you. Thinking. Sequence. function. Upwards thrust. Boom. Okay. And now it's branch. Condition. It's mainly because for UI, sometimes people have left control actions. Also for editor utilities. Weird. This. Come back. Paste this. Stick this into here. And then variable. Vertical velocity floats. Fuck are you? The fuck's the default value at? Save it. Where the fuck's the default value at? Down here at the bottom. 10. Because you're going to want to start tracking velocity and everything. Handle your own forces. Kinematic is going to be so much harder. Yes. Bottom default values always. Okay, cool. Yeah, I definitely will probably want to go with actual physics now that I'm like messing with it. I definitely thought that would not be the case. The current value of input pin is invalid. Select control down must have a reference parameter. Right, what the fuck is this? I think I'm getting called to be asked. You know to fucking come get me, right? Where the fuck is left control? There we go. Same thing down here. This down. B down. Should be like apply. This or ascend and descend. It B ascending, B descending. Listen, variables are hard. Fuck you. Hey. Hey. Thanks, Pixel Shake. It was fun. I appreciate you being here. We got something done because of you. And we got a little cone. I might go back to fucking around with it the other way, but I can go to the floor. Oh my god, don't do that. And yeah, I gotta go. Hi, bye, Zelda. I'm letting the doggy in now. It's a 20-minute drive. I gotta pee real bad, and that's a 5-minute pee at least. All right. I'm getting murdered, apparently. All right. Peace out, Girl Scout. Thanks for hanging out. I'll see you maybe tomorrow. I think tomorrow. I think I'm going to be doing this more tomorrow. The exact same thing. I don't think I'll make any progress tonight, but maybe if time permits, I'll try. Thanks again, Pixel. Appreciate you. And everyone who's hanging out, Lishi. Oh shit, there was a lot of new friends. David on the other game. I don't know if he's still here. Fee was here for a bit. Dustin and Alan. Slither. Appreciate all of y'all. Thanks again. And goodbye.